years at Clare College really have been one big roller coaster. Ups and downs, tears and tantrums, laughs, and of course a lot of commitment from the students in order to prepare ourselves for the outside world.
It may have been a challenge to teach, given the fact that our year has been the biggest FD class so far. I would just like to say a massive thank you for all who have taught us for putting up with us, because we know at times we've been a noisy bunch. But I hope you're all going to miss our extravagant and individual personalities.
And we're lucky enough to say that EdMax this year was kind enough to describe us as the best year the college has ever had, and we extend our thanks for his generosity. About the foundation degree, here's a taster of what we've been up to over the past 2 years.
Body practices. Animal study. With us forever.
Community theatre. We hope this continues in the future and that the audience for foundation degree performances will continue to grow.
Overall, we've had a fantastic 2 years of getting to know each other and becoming one big family. Our FD parties have been a rave, and we've had many memories from retro karaoke. Frank, hit it!
Most of all, we will miss not seeing everyone every day and working with such inspirational and creative friends.
On a serious note, I can speak on behalf of all our year in saying that these 2 years have been some of the most exciting and memorable years we've had. And we've gained a lot of skills in various paths of acting that will carry with us in the future. We've made great friends and we're going to miss you all.
Who was